If you're seeing the Monday.com error 503 or the Monday.com error code 1000, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step process to get Monday.com working again. This kind of error usually happens when the service is temporarily having trouble, your browser has a loading issue, your network is interfering, or an extension is blocking part of the site. The good news is that most of the time you can fix it without any complicated troubleshooting. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's start with the easiest solution first. Refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just fails to load properly for a moment, and a quick refresh is all it needs. If the error comes back right away, don't panic. The next thing to do is wait a few minutes. In some cases, the issue is on Monday.com's side, which means the server may be temporarily down or under maintenance. Waiting a little while and trying again can solve the problem without changing anything on your device. If you still see the error, sign out of your Monday.com account completely, then sign back in. A fresh login can clear out temporary session problems that may be causing the 503 or 1000 error message. After signing back in, refresh the page again and see if Monday.com loads normally. Next, turn off your VPN or proxy if you're using one. Sometimes these tools can interfere with Monday.com's connection and cause access errors. Once your VPN or proxy is disabled, refresh the page and check whether the issue disappears. If that doesn't help, try switching your network. For example, move from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot or from one internet connection to another. This can tell you whether the problem is coming from your current network rather than from Monday.com itself. Another very effective fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can become corrupted or outdated, and that can stop Monday.com from loading correctly. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard, then choose Cache and Cookies, click Clear, and restart your browser. After that, go back to Monday.com and try again. This step often resolves stubborn loading issues and is one of the best things to try when you keep seeing the same error. If you still have the problem, disable your browser extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. Some extensions can block scripts or resources that Monday.com needs in order to function. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and temporarily turn off anything that might interfere with the website. After disabling them, refresh Monday.com and test it again. If the site starts working, you found the cause. If one of these steps fixes the issue, you're good to go. If not, it may still be a temporary Monday.com outage, so checking back later is often the final answer. The key is to work through the fixes in order. Refresh, wait, sign out and back in, disable VPN or proxy, switch networks, clear cache and cookies, and disable extensions. That method solves most Monday.com error 503 and error code 1000 problems quickly and safely. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you fix Monday.com, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with which step worked for you. See you in the next tutorial.